own Islam. People will be saying Fulani should run away. But if you are looking for the trusted security guard, na Fulani and Hausa man you go. They are them full Lagos. Don't be them be your other security guard. Trusted security guard, if you are looking for them, na Fulani you go take for you. Gate man. And then you are saying, we will live together in this country. Don't tribes and tongues regime. Brotherhood is time. God bless you all. And thank you. Southwest, my darling sister, Morimi Ojodu, I greet you. Now, I would like for us to please settle down. Habib Aruna, Senate President and son of the Holland.
Thank you very much, MC. You can see the humility in Tunde Rahman. You don't ask for any donation. It's only the MC that decided that there should be donation. He never cared to do that. Unlike what we hear from others. But he decided. Ladies and gentlemen, what I just say right now is that you can see the humility, in Tunde Rahman. Someone who's an epitome of knowledge, wisdom, and humility. If the other people, that's okay, donate, but he decided to keep quiet. But the MC came to his rescue. Do not ask for donation, otherwise he will not say anything. He decided that on his own, for his personal resources, he would come in to help those who need help. So to this end, for me, I'm going to donate 10 motorcycles, 10 two mini buses, and 20 bicycles for the poor. And of course, the sum of 30 million.
Because very soon we'll be seeing vote of thanks from my two daughters. It will be played on the screen. They are not here with us because they are not available at the moment. I'm here to talk about what informs what we are doing today, what inspired me